Avocados have got to be one of the most beloved foods in Mexico, and it makes sense for us to make an avocado salsa considering Mexico is the avocado capital of the world. Love it. If you're serious about Mexican cuisine, you need to master this salsa. I mean, it is everywhere. We're talking family gatherings, taco stands. It's an absolute must-have. So let me show you how to make it. It all starts with cooking a few ingredients. I've got 8 ounces or half a pound of tomatillos already clean, rinsed, ready to go. A quarter of a white onion, cut it into thinner wedges. A couple of garlic cloves. And also 2 serrano peppers, or you could use jalapenos for a milder taste. I'm just gonna do a small incision right in the center. Place everything back into the lined sheet pan. We're gonna hit it with a drizzle of avocado oil, and it's gonna go into the oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes or until they're fully cooked. You've gotta let these cool down completely, or at least to a warm temperature. Add them in. I'm gonna remove the stem from those serranos. Basically everything goes in. And peel the garlic cloves. Talking about garlic, the addition of a small raw garlic clove is going to give you that extra boost. So delicious, so good. Also do a quarter of a bunch of cilantro, and this was quite a big one. And the so acclaimed avocado right here. Let's remove that seed. I'm using 1 large avocado. Do a squeeze of lime juice, and this is about 1 tablespoon. And of course, the most important ingredient, salt. Add it to taste. Additionally, 1 cup of water. Now we're gonna blend until it is completely smooth. I mean, a couple of specks of cilantro in there are gonna be perfectly fine. I actually like it, but it does need to have that velvety, smooth texture. And there you have it. You can pair it with so many Mexican dishes. I'm gonna link a few down in the description area, or you can just go to Villa Cocina's YouTube page. There's a ton of videos I've already made with this specific salsa. There's something about avocado salsa that just hits the spot. It is creamy, fresh. Those tomatillos really add a boost of tanginess. It is just incredible. This is so good. Love it. The full print of a recipe is going to be available on villacocina.com, so make sure you check it out. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and click the notification bell because that's how you show all of your support. All right, until the next one, bye everyone.